Okay. So Indian newspaper today's editorial. This is a very important in terms of economy. It is geography, economy, okay, current affairs, whatever you want, you can say. So this editorial has to be seen with the monsoon climate also. So I have taken an NCERT book also. I'll explain if time permits. Here we'll be explaining what is the current affairs in the editorial. What is the this year monsoon? How it is different or what is it? Okay. So gains. So there's a positive in the gains from the rains. Okay. Rains refer to monsoon. Okay. Rain. So all of you should have a notebook. Okay, and you should have take notes. Okay. Simply sitting will not work. A steady, well-spread monsoon spells good news for the farmers and the economy. Okay. So what is the good news for the farmers? Okay, write down 60% of India's agriculture. Okay, 60% of India's agriculture is rain-fed. Okay, is rain-fed. 60%, please write down 60% of India's agriculture is rain-fed. That means, okay, if there is a monsoon is coming, okay, rainfall is coming, then this agriculture will boom up. Okay. So that is it. Apart from the auto, you talk about canal irrigation. Okay, you talk about well irrigation, tank irrigation, whatever irrigation is there. Okay, for that you need a good monsoon. Okay, so rainfall also requires monsoon. Irrigation also requires monsoon. So it's a good news for the farmers. Okay, then and for the economy. Okay, and for the economy because write down Indian economy. Okay, Indian economy. Okay, dependent on rural demand. Rural demand. Write down this word, rural demand. Rural means rural areas, villages. Okay, the people in villages should be able to buy the products. When they will buy the products? When they have got excess of money with them. Okay, and how they can get money? When they have got good agricultural activity. Okay, so write down this word, rural demand. Rural demand. This will boom up. This will boom up. This will boom up when there is a good monsoon is there. Okay, so when the rural demand is good, okay, then this based upon this in demand there will be production happening. Okay, write down the demand based production will happen. Okay, particularly if you talk about rural demand, there will be tractors will be more. Okay, fertilizer. Okay, then packing bags. Okay, so all this will be demand. Then there will be more credit flow. Write down this. So what are demand? I'm saying tractors will be demand, fertilizers will be demand, packing bags will be there. Credit means loans will be given. So all this will create economic boom or economic revival. You can say we have to use the word revival because the economy is in slowdown. Okay, since the COVID-19 economic lockdown, the economy slowed down, recession in many parts of the world, including India. We have recession. Okay, RECESSION. Recession means slow in the economy. Economy has come down. Okay, and for this good monsoon is very good. Okay, so monsoon is good for agriculture. When agriculture is there, it will revive the economy. Okay, clear? Any doubt in this point? Anybody? See, don't be shy. Okay, anybody has got getting any doubt? Okay, you have to ask. So that is a thrill of having a live class. Otherwise, I can record and I can give you simply. Okay, so attempt this and properly ask me the. Okay, let us know. So far, India appears to have a good run with the monsoon. Write down this year. That means 2020 monsoon is good for India. That itself is a big news because monsoon is actually unpredictable. Write down monsoon is unpredictable. Monsoon is unpredictable. Okay, sometimes most of the time it fails. Okay, most of them it fails. But this year, okay, so far that means the monsoon starts on 1st of June. Write down the monsoon in India starts on 1st of June. So we are in the middle of the July. Okay, so far this is good. They are saying, the author is saying it is good. Okay, and monsoon season, who can tell me what is the monsoon season? Monsoon season is from June to September. Okay, that means rainfall happens June, July, August, September. This 4-month rainfall will be there. Okay, so far it is very good for the Indian monsoon. As the most recent data available, IMD, write down this word, Indian Meteorological Department. Indian Meteorological Department. They are the people who are forecasting the Indian monsoon. Right now, they will be forecasting as well as tracking. Forecasting. That means they will say that monsoon will be delayed or it is coming on time. Okay, it is a failure, success, rainfall will happen. So we call it as an IMD. Okay, so this institution forecast of the monsoon in India. Okay, so according to their data, what is they are saying? Okay, rainfall during the season has been 14% copied on this data. Okay, 14% more than what is the usual. Okay, so we are getting this year above normal rainfall. Write down this word, above normal rainfall. We are getting above normal rainfall. Okay, the period of June only accounted for 70% of the rainfall spent. So June itself we have got 17% more. Okay, or 17%. So that is a good news. The total monsoon period, already told you, copy down this, on 1st of June, almost 99%. This year also it happened. 1st of June, the monsoon wind strikes the Kerala coast. Okay, 1st of June, on 1st of June, the monsoon wind will be striking the Kerala coast. So this is Kerala. So here the monsoon will be coming. Okay. So from there till September, there will be monsoon. Now, in this article, they are talking about only one part of the monsoon. The monsoon, what is referring is a southwest monsoon. Write down. There are two types of monsoon. One is southwest monsoon. The other one is northeast monsoon. Okay. This northeast monsoon they are not referring here. Okay. I'll explain if required. Okay, later. So there are two types of monsoon. That means one monsoon goes this side, the other monsoon comes this side. That means opposite direction. Okay, two types of monsoon. So southwest monsoon only being referred here. The southwest monsoon period is June to September. Okay, June to September we will have southwest monsoon. Northeast monsoon comes in the month of October, November to December. Okay, so it comes in the winter season. This comes in the summer season. Okay, so this article is about monsoon which is coming southwest monsoon summer season. So they are saying that is having above the normal. Okay, that is a positive news, good for India. In the month during the monsoon set and the process can sometimes be delayed for a week. June is also monsoon being begins a journey in true extremis. Okay, now write down, when the monsoon strikes India, are you able to see the whiteboard, all of you? Abarna, Benazir, Frzana,
Yes, sir.
Niharika,
Yes,
Neetu.
sir.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
respond. Okay, so don't simply say it, you have to respond. Then only I can understand you have. Okay. So suppose Asim, this is an India map. Okay. Okay. So it's a just rough figure. Okay. So don't tell any person, particularly Modi and all, don't tell him. Then he'll say that I'm an anti-Indian. Okay, Manslav. So this is an Indian map. Okay. So when it strikes on the coast of Kerala, two branches is going. One is known as Arabian branch. Okay. The same diagram should be there in your notebook also. Okay, and I want you to send the notes. Okay, if you know my WhatsApp number, right? Okay, send me the notes. Okay, I want to see have you written the notes or not. Arabian branch is one branch. Okay, the second branch is known as Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, there's two branches coming. Okay, so both are very, very important for this one. All this, okay, so they this Arabian branch, what they will do, they will keep on here one mountain is there. What is this mountain here? Anybody?
Western Ghats.
Very good. Western Ghats. Western Ghats is there. So because of that, there will be maximum rainfall happening here. Okay, we call it as a orographic effect. Orographic effect. That means a mountain is there. Okay, and clouds are coming, hitting it, and there will be rainfall. Okay, for example, in this case, all of you please mute yourself. Okay, once you answer, please mute yourself immediately. Yeah, so Kerala, there will be a lot of rainfall. When you go to Tamil Nadu, okay, no rainfall because there will not be any clouds. Because this kind of rainfall is known by the name orographic rainfall. Right now, so how the Kerala gets rainfall is because of the Western Ghats. If the Western Ghats are not there, then Kerala will not get rainfall. Okay, and why Tamil Nadu do not get rainfall? For that also reason is Western Ghats. Okay, so after this will enter. It will come here. Okay, and this will come like this. It will actually go to the northeast. Okay. Here you got a Meghalaya plateau, or you can call it, write down Shillong plateau. Okay, what do you mean by the word plateau? Means it's an elevated portion, mountain like mountain in our conical, it's like conical, no? But in the plateau, it will be very flat. Write down plateau is a flat top. Okay, so Shillong is the capital of which state? Okay. Shillong is the capital of
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. Very good. Meghalaya. So here we have got three mountain range. Write down. Okay, one is known as Garo, then Kashi, and Jaintia. Jaintia. Okay, so these three mountains, they will go and hit. Okay, when they go and hit, they'll do too much of rainfall. In fact, you might heard about Shirapunji and Mao syndrome. Both are located here only. Okay, it is in the Kasi mountain, Kashi hills. So then it will turn like this. They'll come like this. So by 15th of July, okay, by 15th of July, entire India is under the full effect of the monsoon. So 1st June it is coming here. Okay, then it is traveling karke come here. By 15th of July, it is completely under the monsoon. Okay, so this is what you have to understand. Okay, small introduction about the monsoon. So there are two branches. One is Arabian branch, the other one is Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, Arabian branch will be coming like this, and it will enter the India after the Western Ghats is over. This will go and they'll hit the Shillong plateau, and from there it will come like this. Okay, by 15th of July, anything. In between, I explained you what is orographic effect. If there is a mountain is there, okay, this mountain will be stopped by the clouds and there will be rainfall. Kerala, that is why we are getting rainfall. Tamil Nadu do not get the rainfall. Clear. Now coming back to the article. So that is what they are saying. June is also, okay, learn. Okay, all the words are very important. Okay, very important article. June is also when the monsoon begins a journey from the two extremists of the country. One branch is the northward Kerala. Okay, the other is called Bay of Bengal. That is what Arabian branch and the Bay of Bengal branch enters the northeast. Both branches eventually converge at the north. That is what I told you. That means this will go like this, then this will come, and both will merge around Agra, Delhi. They'll come and meet. Okay, until July 15th. By July 15th, entire India will be under the monsoon. Okay. Now, IMD never forecast the possible rainfall likely during the June because the Vagar is involved in the onset and pace, because June is the month when it is initially coming. So that is where it is spreading. Okay. So we cannot predict much of the monsoon in the month of June. Okay. This year, what happened? Write down this year. This is the question. Current affairs, they'll ask you, what is specialty about this year monsoon? 2020 monsoon, what is specialty? Copy down this. Two significant things happened. Okay, one is, okay, onset of monsoon on a textbook date of June 1st. Okay, when I say the monsoon will come in June 1st, okay, 99% comes. So this year it came on 1st June. 1st June, textbook means as per the theory and practical also same. Okay, textbook version of the monsoon entering Kerala coast 1st June. 1st June, it enters the Kerala coast. Here, one more additional point right down. Okay, in the case of Andaman Nicobar, it comes by 29th May itself, it will come. Okay, so this June 1st is the mainland only. Mainland India only getting the monsoon in the month of June. Okay, June 1st. But Andaman gets 2 days before that. Write down that very clearly. Andaman gets, particularly the bottom, there's a island called Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar. Okay, so where is it? I'll show you here. Okay, so this one here, one island is there. This one. Okay, here is known as Great Nicobar. So they and all very close to the equator. So they'll get monsoon rainfall even before the Kerala gets. Okay, that you have to understand. The Manslaka. Okay. So one thing in this year specialty of this year monsoon is it came on the 1st June. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay. Okay, this year we had cyclone Amphan. Where is the cyclone Amphan hit? Tell me, anybody.
Odisha.
Okay, Odisha and some parts of Bengal. Okay, Bangladesh. Okay, all these people also attended. Okay, so this is why actually super cyclone. That means very strong cyclone. Okay, so we thought that this cyclone will disturb the monsoon. Okay, but that did not happen. Okay, so in spite of the cyclone also, monsoon entered on time. And the monsoon is very favorable right now. This year, monsoon is favorable, above normal rainfall we are getting. Okay, that is the first factor. Second factor is the record pace at which the monsoon covered the entire country. Okay, I told you only by the 15th of July, the entire country will be under the monsoon. But this year, it was faster. Okay, it was faster. Right now, this year, it was faster. Okay, and they are saying that it happened. Okay, here there's a confusion in the article itself. Okay, so what I understood is July 8th, okay, last year, and this year it came in June 15th itself. Okay, look at this, the monsoon broke even this speed limit and covered the country by June 25th. at the phase unprecedented in 2013. Okay. So 2013 was a time, okay, where this much of speedy covering of the India. That means entire India is getting covered by the monsoon. Okay. Normal timing is 15th July. Right on that. Normal timing is 15th July. But this year we got it on 25th of June itself. 25th of June itself we got. Okay. And because of this, what it means is, right on, we are going to have longer duration of rainfall. Right on, when it is covering the entire India yearly. Okay, it's supposed to be on 15th of July, but it's coming on 20th of June itself. Okay. That means longer duration of rainfall is going to happen in India. India is going to have a long spell of rainfall. Right on, India is going to have long spell of rainfall. Spell means okay, season, like a long season of rainfall. Clear? Okay, so far what we have seen, okay, this year monsoon is more than normal. Okay, IMD is saying that 14% more rainfall we got it. Okay, and there are two branches of monsoon. What are the two branches? This side. Come on here.
Southwest and
northeast.
Southwest and northeast. Okay, that is that total monsoon. Okay, but the southwest monsoon itself is two branches. Okay, south. See, don't get confused. Okay, one second.
One second.
Okay, and confusion is there. Na? I understood that. Okay, look at this. Look at this.
We were saying that two significant things happens this year, no? First one is
1 minute. I'm coming to it. Okay, monsoon. Okay, is of two types. Okay, one is the southwest monsoon. The second one is northeast monsoon. Clear? Is that clear to everybody? This southwest monsoon has got two branches. Okay, that is known as Arabian branch. Please copy down as such. Okay, then Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, now there is no confusion. When I ask what are the two branches, then you have to say this. Okay, then I say what two types, then you have to say this one. Okay, and when we say normally monsoon, most of us will refer to this only because this provides 97% of the rainfall in India is from this monsoon only. 97% of rainfall is from this monsoon only. Okay, this is around 1% only. That too only to coast of Tamil Nadu. Okay, and we can also say this southwest monsoon as a summer monsoon. I hope everybody is writing. Niharika is writing. Neetu, Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then who is Shravan is writing? Filsina is there. Yes. Who was asking me doubt now? Tell me.
yes, sir.
it was. I have one doubt.
Yeah. Who is this?
Filsina.
Filsina, tell me.
We were talking about two significant things which has happened this year, no?
Yeah. I'll tell you that.
One-
Okay. So
one
this year, I'm explaining. Okay. Two significant things which happened this year, 2020, is first one is it is on date. That is June 1 supposed to come. It came. Okay. On date, it has come. Okay. That is the first thing. Second one is the speed in which it does spread. The speed of spread. Okay. Normal speed of spread is by 15th of July only. It has to supposed to come in the entire India. But 25th of June itself, it has covered the entire India. Okay. That is why we are going to have longer duration of rainfall in India. Clear. So two significant things which happened this year is on date. It has come on date. Okay. Normally what happens sometimes delay in arrival. Okay. Instead of coming on June 5, June 1st, it will come on June 5 or June 10. Okay. And when it coming to this one, like withdrawal, it can go yearly also. So our number of days under rainfall will be less. Okay. But this year it has come on date and is going faster also. Clear, guys? That is a two thing. Yeah. Any other doubt? Farzana.
The variations, they have some
Voice is very bleak. Who is that?
So these variations are due to the El Nino effect. El Nino effect, right?
Variation
are due to the El Nino effect.
Keep your mic very near to a close to your mouth.
I mean, these variations are due to the El Nino effect, right? El Nino has
no. I don't want to confuse now. Okay, I don't want to predict that as well now. Okay, I will not say. No, I will not confuse now. Okay, you're talking about El Nino. No, I'll refer that later. Okay.
So one doubt is
One minute. I'll explain him. 1 minute. So El Nino factor I'm not taking. Okay, I'm just saying that what the IMD has said. Again, this year we had two different things happening. Positive, it is both are positive only. El Nino, when El Nino comes, there will be failure of monsoon. Okay, so that we are not going to mix it here. Yeah, second person who is asking, tell me.
Yes, Farzana sir.
Farzana.
You said last time the onset of monsoon was on time in 2013. Is it? You said something related to
No,
2013.
2013. I told you about the speed of cover.
Okay.
The speed of cover, okay, is 2000. Okay, 2013, and after that, it is happening now only. Actually, wait a minute. Yeah, any other doubts? Anybody? How many of you they did not understand anything, sir? I did not understand. Niharika, Neetu, Preeti, Sunil, sir, clear? What happened? You are in office today. Okay, shall we proceed here? Yeah, so that is the first paragraph of this editorial. Then comes the net result of all this will be, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because of what is going to happen, it is going to have a more rainy days in the June, okay, and even distribution. This is a big problem in India, okay. Even distribution, that means monsoon has got a variation in the distribution. Okay, some places like Western Ghats, particularly Kerala, right down this, the places which get more rainfall in India. Okay, so or you can say above around 400 centimeter rainfall. Okay, the areas which are getting is Kerala will be getting it. Okay, northeastern states will be getting it. Okay, and Andaman Nicobar. These are the three places where you get 400 centimeter rainfall. Okay, then there are some places where we do not get 50 centimeter rainfall also. One is Ladakh, the northwest of Rajasthan. Niharika is from Rajasthan, right? Which part of Rajasthan?
Jaipur.
Jaipur. That is the little greener, I think, right? Rainfall
Yeah.
has happened. Okay. Okay, so it is a western part or northwestern part of Rajasthan. Okay, 50 centimeter rainfall. Okay, then interior peninsula. Okay, that means if this is a peninsular area, this part, that some parts of Telangana, some Karnataka, this region also. So two variations in distribution of rainfall. If you look at some places where you get good rainfall, 400 centimeter rainfall we get it, Kerala, okay, northeastern states and Andaman Nicobar. Okay, whereas not even 50 centimeter rainfall in Ladakh. Ladakh is a cold desert. Okay, people will not accept this, but it is a cold desert. It's a cold area, but at the same time rainfall will not happen. Western Rajasthan very less rainfall, and interior peninsula is also having less rainfall. Okay, but this year they are saying more or less good distribution is also there. Means more or less rainfall has spread across India. Okay, so the question comes: what is the uniqueness about this year's monsoon? This is the answer. Understood? So this is a question I'm going to give you as an assignment. Okay, live test you have tried tomorrow. So read this again and again and come. Yeah. Now coming back to this one, the IMD record shows that only 4 days. Okay, except on the starting this one. Yeah. So when the June rainfall, that means southwest monsoon is very good. Okay. What happens is it is good for the Kharif crops. Underline the word Kharif. Kharif crop, it is good. Kharif. Okay. In India, there are two types of rainfall. Okay, so two types of crop, three types of okay. One is known as Kharif, types of agriculture or seasons of agriculture. Okay, types of agriculture or seasons of agriculture. One is Kharif. Okay, second one is Rabi. Third one is Ziyad. These are the seasons of this one. Seasons of agriculture. So when the southwest monsoon is very strong, what happens? You get a very good harvest, or you can say sowing of Kharif crop. Kharif. Yeah, who can give me example of Kharif? Nobody is there.
Right.
Kharif crop.
Right.
See, even if you say wrong, also you have to say something. Okay.
Right.
Otherwise, how it will go? Yeah, somebody is saying. Tell me, sir. Sunil, sir. Yeah, tell me.
Rice. Rice, sir.
Rice, sir.
Rice, okay, rice paddy. Okay, very good. See, whatever it is
Maize.
grown in South India, it is the most of them are Kharif. Okay, when you go to North India, only this distinction is there. Okay, so under that very clearly. Okay, North India, when you go, okay, when you go to North India, okay, there only the two seasons are coming into picture. Okay, the two seasons are coming into picture only in the North India. South India, most of them there is no in two types of season. We have only one season. Okay, the season is this one, Kharif only. Okay. When you go to North India, we have got winter season, summer season, thereby winter crop and summer crop. Okay. So winter crop is known by the name Rabi. Copy down that very clearly. Winter crop is known by the name Rabi. Okay. So Rabi is a winter crop and Kharif is a summer crop. Okay. That means sowing season. We're talking about sowing season. Okay. Then Ziyad is basically vegetables, okay, or fruits without any season. Winter crop, you got wheat, barley, mustard. Okay. Summer crop, we have got paddy, cotton, groundnut. Okay. That's one. Okay. So Rabi crop means you need a winter rainfall. There is one winter rainfall also. I'm not going to confuse it here. Okay. In fact, I have made one detailed video on monsoon. Okay, that is available in our portal. Maybe available in the YouTube also. Okay. Otherwise, tell me, I'll share it. Okay. So a detailed video on monsoon is already available. Okay, see that. Okay. So winter rainfall is good for Rabi crop. Okay. That also happens in India. Then you got Kharif. Okay, that means summer rainfall. Okay. Summer rainfall means we are talking about southwest monsoon. So when the southwest monsoon is good, then Kharif crops will be good. We'll have more paddy cultivation, more cotton cultivation, more groundnut cultivation. Clear, guys? So this article, they are saying that the monsoon which is coming in the month of June to August, they are very important for the which crop? Kharif crop. Okay, the most of the ones are some Kharif crops. Sowing of Kharif crop. Okay, the 2 months account for 2/3 of the monsoon. This is also the monsoon goes into so-called break. Write down this word, monsoon break. Sometimes 1 or 2 days there will not be rainfall in the monsoon period. Okay, those are known by the name monsoon break. Okay, that is quite normal. Within 2-3 days, again it will come. Okay, that I'm not going to make a complex. Just to understand that there are certain period within a monsoon period where there is no rainfall at all happening. Okay, they are known by the name monsoon break. They are known by the name monsoon break. Okay, prolonged break means absence of rainfall can be even to drought. Okay, now monsoon, actually now it's a very happy picture. Okay, this article is very happy picture of the monsoon, but monsoon has the other side also. Okay, the other side of the monsoon is highly unpredictable. Okay, it can create flood or it can create a drought. Okay, the famous Uttarakhand flood, the famous Chennai flood, the famous Kerala flood, all this happened in the same monsoon, right? Okay, so monsoon can create flood also. Okay, and it can create drought also. That means if it is failure, monsoon fails for some reason, then there's a drought. Okay, India has seen a lot of droughts also. So these are the other picture. But this year monsoon is very good. Okay. So far it is good. That is also to be underlined. So far so good. Okay, that is what you have to understand, because what will happen next month we don't know. Okay, so as if now monsoon is good, and already IMD has predicted that this year monsoon will be good. So prediction is also saying that it will be good. Okay, so other side of the monsoon is highly unpredictable. Write down highly unpredictable. It can create flood. It can create drought. Okay, it can create failure, okay, of the agriculture also happening. Okay. In spite of significant improvement in data gathering, technological advancement, meteorological agencies cannot yet reliably forecast the advent of the break of the. This is the problem. Write down. In spite of all this technological advancement, okay, we could not find vaccine for COVID-19, right? True or false? Yesterday, Russia claimed, I don't know how much true. Is it true? Anybody can confirm it. Russia said that they have found a vaccine. Okay, but nobody is saying beyond that. So we have a limitation of our own technology, our own this one. Okay, scientific advancement. So I'm saying
they also said that it is clinically tested, so perhaps it is true.
It is true. Okay, it is by their own news agency TASS, they have confirmed it, but I don't know when it will be commercially available. We have to wait and see. but people have recovered and they have gone back and all they are saying. Okay. Yeah. Coming to this, so monsoon, our knowledge on monsoon is based on historical data, like how we predict, like last 100 years, the monsoon have behaved like this. Okay, so this year it will be like this. That kind of projection only we have done. Okay, we don't have crystal clear that on this day rainfall will happen, on this day rainfall will not happen. That complete picture we are not having right now. Limitation on understanding the monsoon. Clearly right now, limitation on understanding the monsoon. Okay, we are not able to predict it. Okay, 100% prediction not possible. Okay, what is critical is that normal rains also observe the possibility of heavy rains or severe drought in districts or over large areas. Therefore, short and medium range forecasts need to be strengthened. Again, now look at this. Underline the word short and the medium. That means what is going to happen this week, what is going to happen this month. Okay, overall long term they will say, like long term, last 2 years or next 2 years rainfall will be good or less, but short term and medium range is where we are not having any enough. For example, most of you know that when the district collector is giving holiday because the IMD has said that heavy rainfall is going to happen, what actually happens?
Rain never comes.
Nothing happens.
That time is the time where we can enjoy. It means students are happy. Okay, rainfall definitely not. 99% I have seen. Okay, okay. So that is a problem. Okay, so the short term and the long medium term forecast we are not able to do. Okay, so that way we have to strengthen. Okay, so it's a holistic picture of the monsoon. Okay, so not holistic. I can say some portion particularly talks about the current affairs. Okay, any doubt? Neetu manasalayo. Preeti. Yeah, Sunil sir, any doubts? Is it like my body? I'm not able to hear anybody. You're talking, no? I'm not able to hear. What
Yes,
happened?
sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Fazana, okay. What about others? Confirm, everybody? Abarna, Anulsa?
No doubt, sir.
Clear,
No
sir.
doubt. I miss the first part, so clear.
Okay. Yeah, Anulsa having doubt? Tell me.
I'm to join. So,
You?
first part I missed this. I like
Yeah,
join
first part.
last
First
part.
part. Yeah,
And
yeah.
the Rabi
I'll
crops
give
and
a
Rabi
summary.
crops
Yeah.
from the
Yeah.
portions.
Yeah, so summary is like this. Okay, this year monsoon is very good, they are saying. Okay, already in the month of June we have received more than normal rainfall. Okay, 14% we have increased the rainfall. Okay, so that is the first part. Okay, then first part they are talking about what is the behavior of the monsoon. Monsoon is actually when it comes to Kerala coast, it goes into Arabian branch, then Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, then they'll converge at the central northern India by 15th of July. This year what happened? This year we had very correct monsoon. Monsoon, the normal date of monsoon is 1st of June. It happened on 1st of June. And from there on, it covered the remaining part of India very fastly. Okay. By 20th of June, it covered the entire India also. Okay. Those are the two significant, in spite of the fact that cyclone Amphan has happened. Okay. So this monsoon, which has come in the southwest, is good for the Kharif season. Then a lot of breaks will be there. Again, that means where the period where the monsoon rainfall will not happen. And then he talks about the problems in predicting the monsoon. We have to strengthen our prediction. We have to increase more our technology, particularly in the short and medium range. Clear, guys? Yeah.
Yes,
What
sir.
other news items in today's newspaper? Anybody's gone to newspaper today? Okay. See, those who are not able to come to the live session, the videos are already added into the listen. So please go through that. And that will be a lot of political news are there. That something is happening in Rajasthan and all. Okay. Then comes. One second. Let me take the newspaper. Okay, that's about. See, at least one editorial you have to read on daily basis. When you're reading editorial, initially it may be difficult also. Okay, but once you do it, okay, then you will you will find it. Okay, that you are gaining a lot of information.
So yesterday there was an article about farmers doing direct selling.
Who is that? The voice is very slow, sir. Farmers.
Direct selling.
Direct selling.
There was an article yesterday.
Is it? Can you share me? I'll take it. It is an article or it is a news item?
It was a news item.
Okay. Okay, are you able to see? I am having a news item of INS Vikramaditya. Screen is visible?
No, not it.
Yeah,
Not
no.
yet. 1 second. There's a small delay, I think.
Now we can see.
Yeah,
Yeah. So this is actually Indian Navy one news is there. Okay. It's a very important news because defense related question can come, being in tension in the LAC and all. So you understand, Indian Navy is actually known as the Blue Water Navy. Okay, Blue Water Navy. What do you mean by the word Blue Water Navy? Means any navy which has got an aircraft carrier. Okay, aircraft carrier. Okay, aircraft carrier. Okay, that means this is actually aircraft carrier. You can see. Okay, this is INS Vikramaditya. Copied on this name. INS Vikramaditya. Is it visible? Should I zoom it?
Zoom in, sir, little more.
Zoom.
Yeah. Look at this. This is INS Vikramaditya. It is the only aircraft carrier we are having as of now. Okay. This was brought from Russia. Okay, for a money of 40,000 crore. Okay. So this is the only aircraft carrier we are having it. Okay, that means a lot of aircraft fighter jets can be taken into it, and you can launch attack in any country, any part of the world. Okay, that is known as the aircraft carrier. And some of the aircraft carrier we are building in our Kochi shipyard. We are building it. Okay. So INS Vikramaditya. So what is the news item is right now? This MiG-29K. Okay. So this is a thing. So Navy is expected to start the new 2-engine aircraft carrier based fighter aircraft being deployed by DRDO by 2032 until they replace the. Okay. So this MiG-29 will be replaced by the twin engine. Okay. Fighter jets prepared by the DRDO. Okay. So it is indigenous. The Navy is expected to get the HAL. Okay. Who will make HAL? Okay. Hindustan Aeronautical twin jet carrier. I don't know what is the name they have given. Okay. It will replace the MiG-29K. Okay. And I told you already, INS Vikramaditya is a Russian origin. Okay. Then INC Vikrant. This is being built in the Kochi. Right on this. Vikrant is the name given to the aircraft. Okay. It is also known by the name IAC. Okay. Indigenous Aircraft Carrier. Okay. IAC. Indigenous Aircraft Carrier. Okay. Which will be operation by 2022. Okay. Then we have another aircraft carrier we are asking for global tender. Okay, but all this will change because now we are talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat. No? So we may build more in India itself. Okay, Vikramaditya deck based. This LC also indigenously made, right? No, LC. Okay, light combat aircraft is a fighter aircraft that is also made in India only. Okay, then other than that, you will not. Okay, so only thing is you have to understand that MiG-29, okay, will be replaced by the Indian-made twin jet aircraft. INS Vikramaditya already be having as an aircraft carrier. Then Vikrant is being built in Cochin shipyard. Okay, so that comes to an end of the current